What a drag. It's Saturday morning at 8:57, and I was just getting ready to run my schedule, and the ARRL Worldwide DX Contest CW edition is raging. And there's little point in trying to work you guys. There's little point in calling CQ with 1 watt. I'd be buried in the QRM, and there's no escaping it. What bad luck. I published my operating schedule the day before the biggest contest on the planet. This sucks. Why not? My 1 watt signal is as big as theirs. These guys with their 20 element Yagis and their 5 kilowatts. My signal's as big as theirs. Hey guys, let's give it another go, shall we? Oh, baby. She's so fucking hot. I'm sorry. Back to radio. Yeah, screw the contest. Let's give it a go. On the 1 watt scale, forward power, 1 watt. Reverse reflected power, almost nothing. 910, let's give it a go. That damn glare. Hey, I was able to work one of you guys on 20 meters at 912 N5 KWN. His name is Thomas. I don't know if he was, if he worked me, if he called me because of the schedule I published, or if he just heard me calling CQ. Regardless, I worked him in the midst of a wild contest. With 1 watt. He's in Texas, by the way. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.